Hi guys, so yeah, I went to cut my hair again so we can try another remedy for hair growth. As you can see, this hair is very low, so we'll be using this for this December to see if it's actually going to work. You see this oil here? If you don't want massive hair growth, please don't go close to this oil. So I'll be showing you how I made this oil with rosemary leaves and cloves with some other ingredients. So stay to the end and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you've seen our last video for hair growth. That's how to make rosemary water for hair growth. Guys, it worked. So now we'll be making the oil. So now you know how to make the water and you're going to know how to make the oil. And then the next video I'll be doing for hair growth, I'll be showing you how to make, should I say, the cream. So stay tuned, and like I said, do not forget to like. Thank you. So to do this, you're going to be needing ingredients from your kitchen. Rosemary leaves, you can add 2 tablespoons of that. Then you get your cloves, also 2 tablespoons of that. Then you get your neem, 2 tablespoons of that. If you don't have neem, no problem, you can skip that. Then lastly, you get your moringa. Then also that one you'll be needing 4 tablespoons. Now you're going to blend everything together, but if you're like me that there's no light for you to blend, you can just grind. But I would advise you to blend actually, because the grinding part is actually very stressful. So now when you're done blending or grinding everything together, you're going to pour everything into a bowl. So now you can see me turning my what's it called, cloves powder, rosemary powder, neem powder and moringa powder together. So you're just going to add everything into a bowl. After adding everything into a bowl, you're going to get your oil. So for the oil, we'll be using coconut oil and olive oil. So for the coconut oil, you're going to add 125 ml of that into the bowl, into the mixture. Then next you're going to add your olive oil. So for the coconut oil, I used pure coconut oil. This one has not been mixed with anything, it is just pure coconut oil. Then you're going to add olive oil. For the olive oil, you're also adding 125 ml. So now you're going to mix everything together. You can leave this down for 3 days in room temperature. After leaving it down for 3 days in room temperature, you're now going to separate the whole ingredients from the oil. That's like after 7 days or after 3 days, you can now remove the oil from the from the mixture. So you just separate it, and after separating it, now you can just massage into the scalp 2 minutes at least every day. So you're going to massage it very well into your scalp. So I don't actually have front hair, and I'm going to be using this on my front hair especially. So you're going to massage this 2 minutes every day into the scalp. Like I said, you can leave this down for 3 days in room temperature before coming back to like separate the the mixture from the oil. So 3 days room temperature, and after like 3 days or after like 7 days, you can come back to do this. So I left mine for 3 days actually, then I came back to like separate it. So let me know what you think about this video. Let me know, have you heard of this oil before? Have you tried it before? We all know that rosemary and cloves is actually very good for hair growth. So hopefully these two would actually work. So we've tried the water, rosemary leaves, rosemary water for hair growth. We did 2 actually. The first method we added cloves, the second method was just rosemary. So you can check out our channel for that if you've not seen it, because it worked, guys. It worked. Like, I was actually very surprised. My hair doesn't grow that easily. I need like 1 year for my hair to grow, but this one within 1 month, I wasn't even using it every day, just 1 month, and my hair grew. So guys, trust me when I tell you something works, because it actually worked. So you can check out our channel for that video, so that you are going to see the you are going to see how we made the water for hair growth, and you can try that. So now you know how to make the water, now you know how to make the oil. So you can use any of the above, or if you want to make both, no problem. So now we have the water, the oil, and next time we'll be making the cream actually. So I'm going to show you how to get the cream also for hair growth. Yeah, I'm not growing my hair, I prefer my low cut, but I would still keep coming back to show you guys how to grow your hair. In case you actually want to grow your hair, I'll still keep coming back to show you how to grow your hair. So yeah, you're welcome. So please do not forget to squeeze out all the oil. Like, don't leave anything down, squeeze everything out. Do not forget to squeeze everything out. And you can use the should I call it shaft? You can use that for something else. I don't know, I don't think I'll be using it, but if there's something else you can use it for, fine, no problem. But this is my oil, so this is how it's going to look like after like 3 days. It's going to look, should I say dark? Yeah, somehow dark, greenish dark, if there's any color like that. Yeah, so now you're just going to turn it into a container, any container of your choice. You can turn it into something like this, or you can turn it into a, should I say, spray bottle. Yeah, so you're going to massage this into your hair 2 minutes every day. You can do morning and night, or you can do just morning. I'll be using just morning, because in the night, I don't know, I don't feel like staining my pillow or my bed, because this is oil. So I'm just going to be doing during the day. I won't do it at night, but you can do morning and night if you want, actually. So try this and come back to let us know if it worked. Like, I would love to know. I'll be coming back to give you the review though. Let me see, from now till maybe January, or from now till December ending. Today is 8th, so let us see from now till ending, or from now till January. Let us see how it's going to work. So yeah, this is it. As you can see, it's somehow dark, so this is how it's going to look like. And my hair, I'm going to show you my hair. My hair is actually very low because I had to cut it. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.